Well, hi guys. Hey, this is what is in the box. Check this out. Another good friend of the channel. He has helped me out immensely. Sent me this. That's one of those that you've just always wanted. Always thought it was just too cool, and had to get it someday. And got an email saying, "Hey, I'm sending you one." Cool. Hang on just a second here. Lift the box top. Come on. You can do it. Man, the artwork is just unreal on this. This is definitely one that will be, the artwork will be on the wall. Very cool. Get, Wilma. Get. Sorry, I had to chase the cat out of the kitchen. Chase the cat out of the kitten. That was good. So yeah, there's the unboxing. It's got a ESC. Very nice. The gearbox is already built, which is kind of surprising, but it's already built with the motor and everything. Here's the awesome Jeep body. Very cool. Definitely like the army look. There's more of the parts of the body, jerry can, spare tire, carrier, grill, windshield holder. The awesome driver. I love this dude, man. He's cool as hell. Very cool. And these look like some chassis pieces. Very nice. This looks like frame rails and some shock parts. Pretty cool wheelie bar. Shock parts, steering parts. Just suspension parts. Looks like front and rear body mounts. A lot of parts to this little guy. Whoop. Gotta do it outside because my kitchen table has got a model kit all tore apart on it right now. Finishing that up. There's the roll bar. Ooh, it's actually got a metal bar in there. Cool. The roll bar. More shock parts. Nice. And you got to do it whenever you get a Tamiya car. Gotta smell that rubber. And it already comes with the wheels on. That's kind of surprising too. A lot of this thing's already built. Nice. The decals. Nice. Antenna post in there. Get your manual. Very nice. Well, you get the idea. Step 1. Step 2, putting the rear end together. I think that's the rear end. Gets MIG motor, so there's the rear bar, or the wheelie bar. Attaching the wheelie bar in the outdrives. And U-joints or dog bones. Bumper, more control arms, steering parts, shocks, attaching new shocks, attaching the gearbox to the chassis, ESC, attaching your tires, attaching more tires, bumper. It's got a spring-loaded bumper. That's cool. You can hit somebody and make them go zing. Attaching your battery, and then doing your driver. Doing up the cockpit. Dude, that cockpit is cool as hell. I'm going to do a little simple little addition to mine. Jamie from D-Town RC, he had a great idea. So I'm going to try to find what he was talking about and I'm going to add to it if I can. I'm going to change it up a little bit from a Wild Willy's. It's going to be a Wild something else. So yeah, attaching all the cage parts. Nice. And it's got the stuff for putting the gearbox together, which is already done, but in case you have to go in there and go after it. Nice. Very, very cool. That is awesome. I appreciate it so much. That is so cool. A little box full of all your little screws and nuts and stuff like that. I already know what's in there. Love these tires. So yeah, this is gonna be started real soon. Gonna have to wait on a few parts, but that's okay. Gonna get a radio and some of that stuff. Oh shoot, won't fit in there now. That's how it always goes. Try to put stuff in and it don't go back in the way it came. I swear there's a science to how they pack these things. But very, very, very cool. I appreciate this so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my friend that sent this to me. That's so cool. Motor and trans and everything already in it. Cool. ESC. Yeehaw. Yeah, we'll be getting started on this real soon. Man, I love it. I love it. I love it. And it's going to be somewhat boxed, the U.S. Army look, except for I'm going to do the driver different. And he's going to have an addition. But other than that, that's it, guys. Man, I'm just blown away. I still can't believe I got this. So, you know, there are people in this RC community that are just absolutely amazing. And just blow me away with your generosity. Thank you guys so much for everything you do. You know, sending these cars out to me and stuff. I mean, I really appreciate it. Just, you guys really make life fun, you know. It is just a hell of a lot of fun. So, thank you to everybody who's supported my channel and helped out and just, you know, became my friend through RC. You know, I've got some of the best friends a guy could ask for just from messing around with radio control cars and radio control airplanes and stuff like that. I really appreciate it. So, thanks, guys. I'm going to get this downloaded and get started building this. So, we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.